Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to take IBD gel and I am going to build up this pinky nail. I'm hoping this tutorial is already up, otherwise spoiler alert. So I had to take down the pinky nail, so what I'm going to do is do that slip layer and then build it up. I did not fully prep these because I still had essentially the base on and my nails built up. Hindsight 2020, I would have taken these down a lot more than I did. And they get a little bulby, if you know what I mean. Like, I like my nails to be pretty thin, like going down on the sides, and it got a little bulgy because of the color gel, and you'll see the realization I have when it happens. So taking Relay Gray, and there we go. You can see I'm putting this on and I'm like, okay, it's see-through. So I'm like, okay, let me grab a chunk and put it on, and see, it just gets a little bulgy. This is the trick to getting it out of your cuticle. I use my nail a ton, but sometimes you just want to grab that little silicone tool and just kind of scrape it down the side and not touch it, and it really keeps it off. And I'm telling you, the more I applied this gel, I see the bulge, and and it just, let's get to the design because I'm watching it back and it's even worse reliving it. Okay. The number 60 cat eye, and we are going to apply a nice thin coat all over the nail. I did use a thicker coat last time, but since I have this gray underneath, I don't feel like I need to use a thicker coat. So what I'm going to do is I'm doing this one in real time, and then I will fast forward through the next ones. But I wanted a nice smooth surface because we are going to stamp on top of this, so I definitely wanted it to be nice and smooth. Take your magnet sideways and you'll see it start to move. Look at that. I love these cat eye gels. Just looks so cool. So we will repeat the process on all the nails. All right, we're taking Liana's plate from Dixie Plates. This was, I believe, the July release. I'm taking 92 from Clear Jelly Stamper, and this is a shimmer polish. I thought Snow Leopards would be perfect for shimmer because if you look at pictures, they're kind of very shimmery type animals. I debated adding a little bit of brown because I did see some brown in some of the photos, but I decided to keep it this silver. And so we will go ahead and apply the stamp all over the nail, but I'm going to rotate it. So what I do is I rotate it some, move it up and down some, just to kind of get different images so I'm not having that same image in the middle every single time. All right, so I'm applying a top coat here. Now, what I do with this top coat is I will apply it once, like on one nail, flash cure it, come back, do the next nail, flash cure it, because gel polish is going to separate over the stamping. This is from Cure Sky, and I've had pretty good luck with this, but just in case when you end up cleaning off the nail, you definitely want to make sure that you have it fully colored. Otherwise, you wipe off the polish. All right, I loved these. It's super simple, but I feel like it's very impactful since everything is shimmery. The gel polish and then the stamping polish, I just loved this one so much. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.